Look at your life. Really look at it. You've spent the last year wishing, hoping, and planning. You've said next month so many times that next month has become your permanent residence. But here is the cold, hard truth. You aren't stuck. You are just committed to the habits that keep you exactly where you are. Success isn't something you find, it's something you build. And you can't build a skyscraper on a foundation of sand. It's time to disappear. It's time for ghost mode. In this video, I'm giving you the blueprint to redefine your life in 30 days. No luck required. The world is designed to keep you average. Every app, every notification, and even most of your friends are designed to steal your focus. Why? Because a focused man or woman is dangerous to the status quo. You feel tired not because you're doing too much, but because you're doing too little of what actually matters. You've been waiting for motivation to strike like lightning, but motivation is a feeling. Built, not lucky, is a mindset. We don't wait for feelings, we execute.
Pillar 1. Absolute silence. Stop telling people what you're going to do. When you announce your goals, your brain gets a hit of dopamine that makes it feel like you've already achieved them. You lose the hunger. From now on, your results will be your noise. Pillar 2. The non-negotiables. Most people fail because their goals are vague. I want to get fit. That's a dream. I will move for 45 minutes at 6 a.m. That's a blueprint. In ghost mode, we have 7 rules. You don't negotiate with them. You don't try to keep them. You just do. Pillar 3. The digital fast. You cannot build a kingdom if you are constantly staring at someone else's. For the next 30 days, your phone is a tool, not a toy. If it doesn't make you money, health, or wisdom, it doesn't get your time. 30 days from now, the world will look the same to everyone else, but you will be unrecognizable. You will have a clearer mind, a stronger body, and a soul that is finally aligned with its potential. This isn't for everyone. It's for the 1%. It's for those who know they were built for more. If you're committing to this 30-day blueprint, I want you to comment the word "built" below. It's your digital signature, your contract with yourself. The first rule of ghost mode starts tomorrow morning. Don't be late. Subscribe to join the movement. We are built, not lucky. See you in the next one.